Is your washing machine leaking? Dishwasher not draining properly? Our certified experts are here to help, fast, reliable, and professional. From minor faults to major issues, we diagnose and fix it all. Deep cleaning, filter replacements, and part servicing, all in one visit. Advanced tools, skilled technicians, guaranteed satisfaction. Extend the life of your appliances, save time, save money. Trusted by hundreds of homes, quick turnaround, transparent pricing. Book your repair now. We bring your appliances back to life.